Hello friends, welcome to Score More Aptitude channel. In this video, we will see another problem based on the syllogism possibility cases. Okay, so in the previous three videos, actually I have shown what kind of possibility conclusions we can derive from the given statement. Okay, so in this video I will show you one problem how we can solve. Okay, so let us assume if the given statements are like no stone is white. No stone is white. And the second statement given is some white are papers. Some white are papers. And the given conclusion is all stones being paper is a possibility. So now we have to find this given conclusion is true or not. Okay, from the given state. So if you see, actually the given two statements are no stone is white and some white are papers. Okay, some white are papers. Okay, so if you see here, the predicate of the first statement is equal to the subject of the second statement, right? So in the previous videos I have shown you one rule. I have told you that no plus some implies some not and reversed. Some not and reversed. Okay, so that means actually here we have no stone is white and some white are papers, and this white can be cancelled. Okay, so this white can be cancelled, and the derived the conclusion is going to be contain some not. Okay, so the derived conclusion is going to be contain some not. Okay, so now reverse, that means actually if white is cancelled, in general we take this stone as the subject and paper as a predicate, but reverse means actually here the predicate we take as a subject. That means some papers are not stones. Some papers are not stones, I mean, okay, some papers are not stones. So that is what reversed. So generally we should get stone here and paper here, but according to the no plus some rule, some not and reversed. So that means the conclusion is going to be contain some and not, and here the predicate is going to be the subject and subject is going to be the predicate. Okay, so what we got, some papers are not stones. Okay, that is we got. But if you see here, actually this is the not the conclusion which is actually given. Some papers are not stones, but it is given all stones being paper is a possibility. Okay, all being is a possibility, right? So if some papers are not stones, okay, so in the previous video I told you that some b are not a. If some b's are not a, then the possibility cases is what, actually all a's are all a's being b is a possibility. Is a possibility, right? If some b's are not a, then all a's being b is a possibility. So according to that, some papers are not stone. So that means actually from this rule, okay, this rule I told in the previous video. Okay, so please refer this video before watching this video. Okay, so if some papers are not stones, that means actually if some b's are not a, then the all a's being b is a possibility. So that means actually this one is going to be what, actually all stones being paper is a possibility. Is a possibility. So that means actually the given conclusion is true. Otherwise, actually, you can draw the Venn diagram of this one. Some papers are not stones. Okay, some papers are not stones. So if we represent, if this one is the Venn diagram, and this one is what actually stones. This one is stones. So if we take this one, no, we take this one as papers. Okay, we take this one as a papers. Okay, so now if we take this one as a stones, this one as a stone, so it is actually satisfying the given conclusion, that is some papers are not stones. So these papers actually not the stones. If we take this the bigger circle as a papers and the small circle as a stones, then some papers are not stones. So that means actually it is satisfying the this conclusion. But from this one we can derive all stones being papers is a possibility. Okay, so this one is the stones. So that's why actually using this Venn diagram also actually this one we can derive. So all stones being papers is a possibility. Okay, so the given conclusion is actually true. The given conclusion actually is true. I mean that conclusion can be derived from the given two statements. Okay, so I hope you got this one. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment and please subscribe to my channel. So thank you once again.